Hi guys, you're welcome back. So today I want you to stretch this my 22 inches silky long straight wig. So I started off by unveiling the hair, revealing the hair, and then I have to wear it on the mannequin. Then after which I have to use my sunshine spray to spray the hair. The sunshine spray gives it this wet look. After that I have to use my styling mousse to make the hair wet and give it this, touch of wetness. Then after that I have to comb out using my comb. After combing out, the next thing I did was to use my wax stick to stretch the hair. Then after that I have to divide the hair into three in order for it to be easy for me to stretch the hair. After that I have to comb out again. After combing out I have to use my wax stick once again. After that the next thing I did was to use my stretch. I have to stretch out the hair. Then as I was stretching out I was using my comb to comb out, you know guys. I have to comb out. After combing out I have to stretch it again. After that guys, the hair is looking so lovely already. So at every point in time I was using my wax stick because the wax stick gives it this, beautiful, shiny, and glowing look. After that I have to stretch out again. Guys, the hair is looking so lovely and beautiful. After that I have to use the stretcher to flatten the hair to give it this flat look and making it look more classy and elegant.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until.
So guys, at this point I have to use my hot comb to give this hair, the front side, to give it this elevated look, guys. And finally this is what the hair looks like after all the touchings. And guys, the hair is looking so beautiful and lovely, and man, it's looking so nice. Guys, I really did a good job. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Mwah.